Welcome back to my channel. First thing I want to do is thank my subscribers for hanging in there with me. And also I want to thank my new subscribers. And if you're watching this video and if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do. I'm coming to you to let you know that I had my retightening done today. It's November 23rd. And I had my retightening scheduled for 8 o'clock this morning. I got there a few minutes afterwards because it was raining and I was slowed down because of the rain. I was greeted at the door by consultant number 2. If you've watched my previous video, then you know that my initial consultant is out on leave. She referred me to Val, who is consultant number 2. At one point, Val had an emergency with her family, and so she referred me to consultant number 3, which is Loretta. So today, I was back with Val. I was highly pleased with her work. We had a lot of discussions. One of the things that I was concerned about was a couple of locks right back here, and I am going to share a picture of those locks. Because I thought that I had slippage because it was just so loose at the root. However, Val said that there was no slippage, that was just how much it grew. I was pleased to hear that. So far, I have had no slippage in my hair. I've had no challenges. We also talked about the pain that some people with Sisterlocks endure when they have a retightening or an establishment. And according to Val, she also experienced pain when she was getting her Sisterlocks. She was able to determine that the pain was a result of the tool that was being used. Apparently, the person that did her hair used a self-retightening tool, which should not be used when you're doing someone else's hair. I had no idea that there were tools for self-retightening that was different from tightening done by someone else. But apparently this could cause you some issues if the person that is doing your hair is using the wrong tool. So as I come to you tonight, this is a fresh retightening, and I loved it as soon as I got out of the chair. Now I am going to do a 360 so you can see my hair all around. I'm going to do it slowly. I was so pleased with my results. I was pleased with the whole experience today. We chatted. It took a little over 2 hours to get my hair done, and it was an exceptionally pleasant experience today. If you are considering Sisterlocks, or if you've had Sisterlocks and you've experienced pain, if you have any questions for me, comment down below. I just want to say to my consultant, Flo, that I appreciate that you have put people like Val in my life that seems to care about my hair as much as I do and as much as Flo did. In addition, Loretta did a wonderful job as well. I have no complaints about anyone that has ever touched these Sisterlocks in order to make them better. I am so pleased. And so today you are looking at a sister who loves her locks. Remember to like, subscribe, and please share my videos. I'm trying to build this channel and share what I have experienced with Sisterlocks. As I have gained knowledge from others, maybe someone can gain something from me. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it very much, and God bless you. It is November 20. It is November